Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of, I don't know, man versus din, man versus bowl. I'm not necessarily 100% sure. All I know is that I'm making a video. Today, I am attempting to make the grilled cheese sandwich bowl. Take a look at that fucking thing, huh? So we're here at the store and we're gonna grab some supplies. Actually, I don't even know what we need. Let me take a look at a list. Here we go. Ingredients. Oh, I gotta make the fucking soup. Get out of here. All right, let's go get some shit. Holy fucking bread. Jesus Christ. Honey, wheat, white, classic, artisan. How do you fucking even pick old-fashioned bread? The fuck does that even mean? White sandwich, that's pretty fucking racist. You know what? I'll just go with the one with the rabbit on it because I'm a child. 2 goddamn pounds of bread? That's a lot of fucking bread. Check. It says we need to get some salt. What are we looking at here? Got some butt rub. Butt rub. Here it is. Look at all this fucking cheese. Get out of here. Bet you haven't heard this joke before, huh? That's some Gouda cheese. Okay. These are too goddamn small. Where are the goddamn slices of cheese that I need? Where the fuck is this? Oh, holy shit. Really? The cheese is over there? And the cheese is over there? Why are they keeping the cheeses so goddamn separate? It's a class war. Here we go. That's not cheese. It's fucking yogurt. Where the hell is the cheese? You think they would put the yogurt underneath the dairy sign and the cheese underneath the cheese sign? We have a problem here. We're getting fucking crazy over here with these cheeses. You better believe we need butter, you sons of bitches. Here it is. That joke never gets old. Again, culturally appropriate? I don't know. But I'm gonna get it. I don't know who Carol is, but I hope she's laying some good eggs. Alright, now if you think I'm making this soup, yeah, that's out of the fucking question. Campbell's tomato soup. Classic. Not good enough for Corinne. Organic soup. She's gonna want this. Soupy shit. That's what we'll get. Dented can special. Oh wait, cream of tomato. Fucking mix it up. Get a fucking tomato orgy over here. Boom, boom. All right, we're set. I think we got all the shit we need. Hey, welcome back to the ThreadBanger kitchen. Haven't actually visited this neck of the woods in quite a while. I believe it was Galaxy Eggs or some fucking stupid shit like that. And that was actually back in April. So what, April, May, August? What fucking month are we in? I don't fucking care, honestly, to tell you the truth. We're doing whatever the fuck we want on this channel. You never know what you're gonna expect, you know what I mean? I bet you didn't expect me to keep this mustache, actually, huh? How's that looking? Let me know in the comments below. You also may realize that I have this really raspy shitty voice. My right vocal cord is actually paralyzed. And that was apparently from like a stroke that I had on top of the heart attack, on top of the fucking death, on top of everything else. I'm not sure whether or not this will be going away or not. This just may be the way that you hear ThreadBanger videos for the rest of your life, or the rest of my life. I don't know. First step is, well, the first step is to make the tomato soup. They're fucking going for it, which I fucking applaud them. However, I'm not a fucking master soup recipeer. A what? But I'll tell you who is. These guys. They've been doing it for a while. They got a label, which is more than I got. I had to get the light and sodium one because apparently when you get old, sodium will fucking kill you. All right, let's get going. First things first, take the lid off of the can of soup you are going to use. Oh yeah, look at that, so easy. I don't even need a fucking can opener. Good God. Oh yeah, fucking making soup. Here's another one. This is actually not the same soup. This is a cream of tomato. I figure, you know, you mix both of these and something magical happens. Like they're pretty much the same fucking thing. All right, that's enough fucking soup, I think. Stir that up a little bit. Boom, the soup's done. That's not even the main part of this project. The grilled cheese really is where it's at. You really only need 11 pieces of white bread for this, but I decided to buy 4 pounds of it. Let's get that started. Oh, come on with this fucking twist tie bullshit. Is it that way? Or is it fucking that way? Come on! What is this? Jesus Christ. That's some bread. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the fucking point. I know what you're saying. Pretty fucking cool cutting board. Pretty sharp knife. Pretty white bread. So now you cut off the tips. And then you're left with this. A square of bread. Good job. And then you're just taking those bread crusts and you're throwing them in a fucking bowl. You'll actually be using these later. You know, there's actually only 2 types of people in this world. People who leave the crusts on their sandwiches, like normal civilized human beings. And then there's the person who cuts their crust off. Honestly, if you fall into the latter, you can go fuck yourself. If you got a fucking kid out there that makes you fucking cut the crust off of his fucking sandwich, you fucking just whack him fucking in the back of the head and just fucking tell him that shit is unfucking acceptable. Alright, that should be enough. Then you just grab yourself, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of butter. Boom. Melted fucking butter. Looks like piss. Now in the butter here, you're supposed to grab like a couple cloves of garlic and you're supposed to like fucking peel them and cut them up and put them in there and shit. I don't roll like that. That's why they invented garlic powder. Throw a little bit of that in there and you are good to go. Give that a little mix. Viola. Look at all these pieces of bread. The next step is you take the butter, you dust it onto the bread, but I don't have a fucking butter brush. I can get a brush. You know, that's not a big deal. I've been doing actually a little bit of painting here on the porch. There's definitely some weird art therapy going on, but I got a couple brushes in here. I mean, I think I washed this one off pretty well before. I don't know. It. I've got butter things to do with this brush. Boom. Like new. Alright, now taking your brush, which hopefully you've cleaned well enough, you're going to now butter these bitches up. Butter jokes are welcome in the comments. Be sure you leave some of those down below. Alright, think we're fucking all done. Get all that fucking butter on there. Fuck it. You know what I mean? Alright, now I've got to make some egg wash. I don't know how to fucking make egg wash. Got a little shill in there. Nothing to worry about. How many do I need? 2. You mix these up, and then all of a sudden, you got some egg wash. Hey! Alright, here comes the fucking hard part. You ready? This is some Master Chef shit right here. Watch out. And then with your fingers, you just kind of rub it all in. You know what I mean? You kind of gel them together. Make sure you get plenty of egg on there. The egg really is acting like a glue here. So my logic is the more glue you put on, the better your egg sticks together. I don't know. I'm gonna try this out here. Bear with me. Sticking to the counter. That is a bad sign. And we're putting it in. And it is not fitting in the bowl. We need one more piece. We need one more fucking piece. God damn it. Am I doing this right? This bowl is too small. That's what it is. Oh, god damn it. I forgot to put butter in the bowl first. Oh, fuck me. Alright, we don't have fucking time here. We're gonna have to hand butter this bitch. That may be too much. There it is. Alright, now you take a piece of this bread here, and then what I forgot to do is you put the piece of bread down first. And then you attach this to the bottom. Oh, shit. I think the egg is gonna help. The egg's gonna hold this all together, I'm pretty sure. Nobody worry out there. Yeah, that's how you do it. Get some finishing touches on that. That doesn't look too bad. That looks bullish. Now, you take your Velveeta slices. We got some sharp cheddar. And then you just take a couple pieces of these. And really what you want to do is you just want to slap them. Slap them in there. Yeah! Boom! There it is. That's what we're looking like so far. A little bit different than that fucking tasty photo, but I don't believe those assholes. I gotta make a little bit more bread, add it on top of that, and then we're fucking good to go on this bread bowl. I think it looks pretty fucking good. I think you throw down this cheese here, this last slice of cheese. Look at that. Brings that shit all together. Fuck, I'm good. Oh yeah. I mean, you're gonna throw some soup in there. You're not even gonna notice all those little imperfections. You know what I mean? Yeah, you do. All right, let's throw this in the oven at 400 degrees for the next 20 minutes. And now we've got to deal with all these fucking things. You just throw some olive oil in here, some salt and pepper, some oregano. Today we'll be using no salt, which is a sodium-free salt alternative. Yeah, welcome to my fucking life. And once you do that and those are all seasoned up, now you just take those, throw them on a tray, and you cook those for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Oh shit. And wait for it, wait for it. Oh damn. That doesn't look too fucking bad. I mean, it looks like shit, honestly. It doesn't look as good as the tasty one, but that looks delicious. All right, now this is the unfortunate part. We now have to get this out of here. This should just slip right on out with as much butter as I put in here. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We got some motion. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come the fuck on. There it is, there it is. Yeah. Oh, god damn it. Oh, the bottom's stuck. Exhausting stuff here. Oh, fucking shit. That's it. We did it. It's of a bowl shape. I would say maybe more of like a, I don't know, maybe more of a saucer shaped kind of ish deal. But hey, next step, add some tomato soup and we're fucking ready to roll. And now it's time to go get Corinne. All right, here we go.
Wow.
These little French fry end of the bread crust things. And then you just, now here it is. Now you throw the tomato soup in there. Boom.
Wow.
Ah, it smells good.
Is that homemade like the video?
Homemade, you know, as in I made it here at home.
You mean like you heated it up?
Yeah, it's organic.
Okay. Look at all of this. So you're not gonna take it out of this.
No, I'm not gonna take it out of that.
So then not like the video at all. It's okay. You get a pass, buddy.
Why do I get a pass?
This is your first video back. You can do whatever you want, okay?
And you take the little breadcrumb, like the edges of the bread, and you dip it in.
Uh-huh. Wow.
I'm gonna break off a little bit.
Just break off a little bit. Well, oh yeah, that was easy to break off.
Boom.
It's like a grilled cheese pizza almost.
It is like a grilled cheese pizza. Maybe I'll just, you know, rename the episode Grilled Cheese Pizza. Damn.
That would be better.
Right? This isn't a bowl.
It's not a bowl. I like how you use the crust here. It's smart. Oh wow.
And then you get in there because the cheese is in between both of the layers of crust.
That's brilliant.
That's really good.
Oh wait, they need some, right?
Oh yeah, give them a little bit. Huh? What do you think about that?
Smoking. Ow!
Hot. It's hot. It's a little hot.
I think I think it's great. I love it. It's delicious. Very impressed.
Yeah, she is.
You know, we're just all happy to see you making videos again. It doesn't really matter.
Aren't you f***ing so f***ing sympathetic? Well, that's all we got for you. That's all I got for you.
No.
You aren't even in this video.
Yeah, you didn't commission me or pay me to be in the outro.
Okay.
I was just here for the fucking taste test. Don't try to rope me into the whole video.
All right, get the f*** out.
Bye.
All right. See ya. I'm gonna eat the rest of this shit right now. Box it
Not
up.
eat all of that.
All right.
Thank you for going through all that effort. I know it's harder for you now. Okay, I love you.
Okay, love you too. Well, that's all I got for you on this episode of ThreadBanger. Do me a favor, click a few things for me. That subscribe button, if you haven't done that. We also have merch down below. You'll probably be able to see it scrolling by. Also, leave a comment about how fucking ridiculous my voice is. I might actually maybe go into the ASMR business if this continues. Let me know some suggestions down in the comments below of what kind of ASMR you would like. That could be cool. Oh, look at this fucking mustache still happening. Okay, new episodes coming out whenever the fuck we want them to come out, because we're not playing that game anymore. So I will see you around here the next time that I see you around here. Here's the fucking question. Who's cleaning up this fucking mess? Jesus Christ.